Welcome to our channel. Activating your USAA Payroll card online is a simple process that gives you immediate access to your wages and allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the official USAA website at usaa.com. Step 2. Click on the Log On button in the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, select Register to create one first. Step 3. Enter your USAA member number or username and password to access your account. Complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. Step 4. Once logged in, go to the Accounts or My Accounts section from the main navigation menu. Step 5. Look for your payroll card in the list of accounts. It may be labeled as Payroll Card or show the last 4 digits of the card number. Step 6. Click on the card account, then select the Activate Card option. You may find this under Card Management or Account Settings. Step 7. Enter the required information, including your full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of the card. Step 8. Review your information and submit the activation request. You should receive immediate confirmation, and your card will be ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.